Hi everyone, I'm Peter. I'm the head of insights here at Carta, and we're proud to present our quarterly report for Q2 2021. In the report, we explore a whole bunch of data related to 4 key themes. Those themes are the venture capital ecosystem, early stage insights, what's going on with startup employees, and finally, liquidity and M&A activity. All the data that we reference in the report comes from an aggregated, anonymized data set of the over 21,000 companies currently live on Carta. So without further ado, let's take a look at the data. The first insight we've learned is that US venture capital has already deployed a record-setting amount of capital so far in 2021. In the first 6 months of 2021, the VC industry has already deployed 96% of all the capital they deployed in 2020. Nearly half of this record-setting investment is going into VC deals over $100 million, which we'll explore in more detail in the report. Next up, let's talk about early stage insights. One of the points that's become clear so far in 2021 is the preference for using SAFEs, or simple agreements for future equity, to raise a non-priced round. In prior years, Carta companies preferred convertible notes when raising a non-priced round. But now in 2021, over 60% of the non-priced rounds raised on Carta use SAFEs as opposed to convertible notes. If you want to learn more about SAFEs and how they work, check out our video series in the description below. We go into detail on all things SAFE and everything you need to know about them. Something that's unique about 2021 so far is we've never seen more startup employees choose to leave their companies. Now, this is obviously a huge contrast to last year, when there was a spike in layoffs and involuntary departures in the second quarter. All things considered, it's likely that the second half of 2021 will see a lot more competition for talent. Finally, we took a look at how mergers and acquisitions were trending in 2021 among our startup population. In 2020, the general level of M&A activity among startups was a bit subdued, rising only 5% from the year before. But this year, acquisitions among Carta cap table companies are way up, almost eclipsing 2020 in just 6 months. Now, as always, the report has a ton of detail we didn't get into here. To download the report, click the link in the description below or head over to our website at carta.com.